everybody, I hope you are all doing well. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Julia and I do makeup and beauty related videos. Also I do reviews and unboxing. And guess what? What we have for today? We have an unboxing video. This month we have the ASOS beauty box, and this is a special edition because it's the Bobbi Brown one. Yay! So I'm so excited. I'm new to ASOS beauty boxes, so what I can tell you is that usually this costs £12 per month. This is not a regular subscription, like if you don't want to buy it, you will not buy it. This release in the beginning of every month on their website, so you will check, and if you like it, you will buy it. So you know from the beginning what you will pay for. The cost for shipping is £3. And also you pay for the shipping. In case that your order is higher than £25, then you will get free shipping. So this is what I did. I also ordered something more. This happened to be another beauty box, but this is another story and another video. So in this case I got free shipping. If you are from UK, you can opt for a £10 per year subscription, and based on this you will get free delivery on all of your ASOS orders. So think about this if you are planning to order more often with ASOS, or if you're only interested on their beauty boxes, you'll pay only £10 per year and you'll get free shipping included for all your orders. Okay, enough blabbling, let's start with the unboxing. The box looks like this. It's really pretty. So let's see how it is inside. Oh, I don't want to destroy this packaging, but I think I will not have other choice. She did it. Okay, so we have here ASOS. And what is the most exciting part? Ta-da! The booklet, Bobbi Brown makeup and skincare related products. Okay, so now you can see. Yeah, Bobbi Brown Cosmetic, it's all about enhancing your beauty, not covering anything up, and we feel that. Pare back your makeup for the colder months and add these Bobbi Brown essentials to your glam squad. Late winter nights need to be an issue with an extra repair moisture cream, just a generous amount before bed. Then start with your morning. Okay, you know what? Let's start with the products and we will read on the go. So, Extra Repair Moisture Cream. This is the Extra Repair Moisture Cream. We do get 7 milliliters or 0.24 fluid ounces. It smells fantastic. Yeah, I'm putting on the camera like that you'll be able to smell. Oh, the texture is so rich. It's sinking in the skin almost immediately. And the skin feels so soft. Yes, pleasant smell. Yeah, so definitely I will enjoy using this cream. Then start your morning with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is the box. We do also have 7 milliliters. So this is the face base. Oh, so this is like a primer. I got it. Yeah. It's also smelling nice. Oh, so it's indeed it's illuminating. I don't know if you can see, but I can see that my hand is more shiny and luminous, but in the good way, if you understand what I mean. It's not like oily, greasy or so. So it's good one. Of course, all Bobbi Brown makeup and skincare products are just good. So this is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base with shea butter, vitamin C and E. And apply the extra illuminating moisture balm for a subtle glow. So this is the illuminating moisture balm. We do have here 5 milliliters. Okay. So it's just a natural balm. Nothing special, but it's really rich in texture. It's more rich than it was this moisture repair cream. So keep in mind, this is I think it's good for the under eye. If you have here dry area like I have. Add a touch of sparkle with the long-lasting wear cream shadow in beach bronze. I think this is a full-size product. Ooh! I saw this size of the container, not the shadow itself, on the Bobbi Brown display. Ooh, so it's so nice. Yeah. So guys, I think this is perfect for one shadow look. You'll just apply on your entire lid and you will be good to go. I think it will diffuse really well, and it's also long lasting. So probably you can either use it itself or you can use it as a base. So yeah, I'm really happy for this eyeshadow. So we have here 3.5 grams. Before adding the smoky eye mascara for some serious drama. So this is the mascara. I'm really sorry, but I will not open up this mascara just because I have other mascara that I already opened. I have like 3 or 4 of them. So I know that this is a good one and I really want to enjoy it when I will finish the other one. So I will add a picture with how the wand look like. The finishing touch. Oh, crushed lip color in Babe for a soft hue that lasts all night. Yay! Party season! We are ready for you! Here the small lipstick. It's also in a travel size. Ooh, look at the package. It's so pretty. And I believe this is the color that we have here, so this is nice. Oh, this is so my kind of shade. It's almost similar with what I'm wearing today. I have on my lips the Kat Von D long-lasting liquid lipstick in shade, I don't remember, I will put it on the screen. Okay, so returning to Bobbi Brown lipstick, I will swatch this on my hand. Wow, so the color is stunning and it's perfect for the winter months, but not only the winter months. So we have 3 skincare items and 3 makeup products. So this is all we are getting. I will try to show you. We have 1 full-size item, is this eyeshadow, and 5 travel size products that will last you at least 1 or 2 months, depend how much you are using. So yay for this box! I'm really happy that I could show you what we got on this ASOS November beauty box. I will link the website down below. I hope you will still be able to buy it. If not, next month be more vigilant and keep an eye on the ASOS website in the beginning of the month. Then they are releasing the beauty boxes, so you'll be able to choose in case that you will like it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye!